Today is 9th of October, Monday, first trading day of the week, guys. We had amazing trade at the market open. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on Euro USD. And if you look at the Euro USD this morning, at the market open at this level, as you can see, the market respected. So we can see that this body was very strong bearish body. So we had a short trade here, bank amazing profit. Now we have taken a long trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. That's the pretty straightforward. You can see here just before the market open, this is the structure as explained to my trader. Look for this breakout. After the breakout, we have another pullback, and then later this London morning session just before London open, as explained, when the market develops certain structures, as we mentioned, we were expecting first priority will be the pullback short. Based on that, you can see here the market nicely developed pullback, and after that market nicely broken this previous low, and that's the sign of continuation. Beautiful short trade here. So at the New York session, even though if you look at the today we have a bank holiday in Canada and the US, so based on that, as I explained, market already developed low high. That's the most likely possibility market might going to develop counter opportunity, which nicely happened as soon as the price hit to the around this level. That's what explained my traders time to consider tightening your stop loss. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you want to see in real time, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.